Spider plant, one of the beautiful variegated leafy plant. If someone asks me what is the most easiest growing plant or what is the plant that you recommend as a beginner house plant, my answer is spider plant. Spider plant fits into small planters, medium-sized planters, bigger planters, any DIY planter. You can see my DIY planters. And also this is the one plant that NASA also approves having in your living room or else in your home or else in your bedroom as an air purification plant. Not only this plant purifies the air, it works as an oxygen plant 24 hours. And also friends, this is the most easiest to propagate and also to grow as a beginner, low maintenance, permanent, and also you can grow this without fertilizer too. With my own experience I am telling. You can see now this is in a huge planter, plastic container, and this is in a DIY planter. This one plant when I brought as a beginner and also grow like weeds. So this one plant you must have in your garden. It's a must-have plant. Look at how huge this spider plant. And I have multiplied them very easily. I have propagated them very easily in water and also in soil. You bring this decorative house plant from a nursery. When you see this plant, small babies appearing, spiderets appearing, you can multiply very easily putting them in water. Remove it from the mother plant like this. Now you can see small roots are appearing, so put it in water and propagate. You can give this beautiful plant, decorative plant, as a gift as well, because this is one of the house decor plants and also easy to grow plant. And here I have another plant in a huge planter. Once you bring it from the nursery, friends, see that you keep it in the semi-shade or the partial to medium sunlight area. This is for the indirect sunlight area and not keep it in the bright direct sunlight area. So with my own experience, I have this in my south area and it gets sunlight in the morning, especially the filtered sunlight. So this is one of the best house plants, best indoor plants, and also very low maintenance. Even without fertilizer you can grow them. The water propagation, you need only a see-through glass with a little bit of water. See that only the roots are touching water. Keep it in your home as an indoor plant and keep it near a window, especially so that these plants can get filtered sunlight. That is how you propagate this plant very easily in water. Or else friends, you can put it directly in soil. When you put this plant in DIY planters like me, this is a coffee mug planter. See that there's a well drainage hole and the soil should be well draining. Now you can see small planters like this. Also you can use many planters, any planter, DIY planter or any specific planter you have. Only thing is the drainage hole, and also these plants need well draining soil. Add a little bit of garden soil, 1/3 of sand, and also you can mix some cocoa peat since they love the moisture in the soil. Make the soil too dry and too soggy, because do not go to overwater this plant. Most of the time we spoil this plant by overwatering. So see the top layer of the soil is dried out before you water again. Once you keep this plant near a window in your home as a house plant, see that it's getting filtered sunlight, and time to time shift them outdoors to get natural air, natural sunlight, and also the wind. So these plants will grow very healthily. As a gardener, I also brought this plant from a nursery at the beginning. So this is a one plant, must-have plant in your garden, because this is very easy to grow. I have not sometimes used any fertilizer, but time to time, as per your wish, you can use any fertilizer. Especially organic fertilizer like tea or coffee will be really very helpful for this plant growth. Now see how many plants I have in my garden. The spider plant, the air purifier plant, and also easy to grow plant, low maintenance, permanent, beginner friendly plant, and also this plant makes a great gift. So that is a good idea to gift someone the spider plant. So friends, today I covered up about this beautiful house plant, indoor plant, the spider plant, the must-have plant, and easy to grow plant. I have shared my own personal experience experiences. One more thing, if you can see now, this is touching the parapet wall. Even without soil it's growing. You can see that the spider plants growing. I can put them in planters and make more plants. So friends, hope you find this video useful about the spider plant. Hope to see you again with another gardening video and to show you my personal experiences about gardening. And this is one of the spider plant flowers. Lastly, I'm showing you. So if you are new, consider to subscribe to Thamara's Garden and do join me with Instagram too and join my membership as well. Thank you and thanks for watching.